how to embed document in Word to your website. So first, go to Google Chrome and search word.cloud.microsoft and create blank document. So for my example here, this is my document. To embed this document to my website, you'll have to do is click the file on the upper left side on your screen and select Share. In Share, select Embed this document. Here in this pop-up, you can change the dimensions here and also the interaction. So let people print this document, let people see the embed code for this document, and also the start on page. So here below the embed code. So you can copy this by clicking the copy button here. So okay, you can click copy and go to website you want to embed this document. So for my example, I embed this document into my Blogger website. So okay, first you can create the new post and use the HTML view, and now you can paste this code and click preview button to view this document embed to your website. So here the document embed to my website.